Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be making chicken and rice casserole. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. I'm going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. You're going to begin by pre-cooking your rice. For this recipe, if you're using a glass pan, you're going to use less water. If you're using a metal pan, you're going to use more water. The reason for this is because if you're using a metal pan, the water will boil out quicker and it will cause the rice to not be tender. While you're waiting for your water to boil, you're gonna wanna add in your spices and your butter. Once your rice water has started boiling, you're gonna wanna reduce the heat and put a cover on it. You're gonna season the chicken how you like, and once your rice is done cooking, you're gonna add the raw chicken to the rice. You're gonna add 1 can of cream of mushroom and 1 can of cream of chicken. You're gonna add some heavy whipping cream. You're gonna add some milk. You're gonna add some extra water just to soften the rice up a little bit more. Once you have mixed it all the way through, then you're gonna transfer it over to a casserole dish. Once your oven is preheated, you're gonna put it in the oven and bake it for 45 minutes. You're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. For more videos, make sure you click one of these links. Thank you.